Although nylon reinforced with glass fiber can enhance strength, its surface often suffers from fuzzing and whitening caused by floating fibers, which not only affects the appearance but also may dissatisfy customers. How to solve this problem? Actually, this is not a material issue, but a failure of the process to control the glass fibers. Today, we will share 3 practical tips to fundamentally solve the floating fiber problem. Tip 1. Temperature calming method. Glass fiber and nylon have different fluidity. If cooling is too fast, the glass fibers will break out to the surface. The correct approach is moderately increase the temperature of the rear barrel section and lower the temperature of the front section to allow the melt to gently wrap the glass fibers. However, note that the overall temperature should not exceed the material's recommended upper limit to prevent nylon pyrolysis. Tip 2. Speed and pressure controlling method. Low-speed injection will cause the glass fibers to stagnate and advance, while high speed will disrupt their orientation. The fast first, then slow mode. First, use high speed to fill the runner. Switch to medium-low speed when approaching the cavity to let the melt spread smoothly. Finally, apply relatively high holding pressure to continuously compact the melt, firmly pressing the glass fibers inside. Tip 3. Mold guiding method. If the mold design is wrong, all previous efforts will be in vain. Choose fan-shaped or submarine gates and make them as large as possible to reduce shear on the meld. The runner must be smooth to avoid sharp turns for the meld. The vent holes must be unobstructed, otherwise air will carry glass fibers to the surface. Bonus trick. Increase the mold temperature to slow down melt cooling, giving the glass fibers enough time to embed into the interior. Final critical reminder. Nylon must be completely dried. Moisture vaporization will cause surface gas marks and worsen floating fibers. It must be dried strictly according to the process, never cut corners. Summary. Remember these key points. High mold temperature, fast first, then slow injection. Large gates with low shear, holding pressure for compaction, plus complete drying. Adjust the parameters several times to find the optimal plan for your equipment and easily solve the floating fiber problem. Friends who like it can like and follow.